In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively create a shortened URL for your Google site, making it easier to share and remember. Let's dive into this straightforward process and make your link sharing experience a breeze. First, let's head over to Google. So open up your web browser and go to the Google homepage. This starting point is quite essential as it allows you to access the site whose URL you wish to shorten. Once you're on Google, you'll want to navigate to your specific Google site. If you already have the site bookmarked, that's going to make things even quicker. But not to worry if you don't. You can simply search for your Google site using relevant keywords that will point you in the right direction. Once you have your Google site in front of you, it's time to get the URL. This is an important step because this is the link that you're going to shorten. Click on the address bar of your browser where your Google site URL is displayed and go ahead and copy it. You can usually do this by right-clicking and selecting Copy, or you may want to use the keyboard shortcut, which is Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C if you're using a Mac. Copying the URL ensures that it's exactly what you want to paste later without making any typos. Now that you have your Google site URL copied, it's time to make it more manageable. For this, let's navigate to tinyurl.com. TinyURL is a service that helps condense lengthy web addresses into much shorter, more shared-friendly versions. On the homepage of TinyURL, you're going to see a space or a text box where you can paste your link. Click into this box to paste the previously copied Google site URL. You can do this by right-clicking and selecting Paste from the drop-down menu, or use the handy shortcut Ctrl+V or Command+V depending on your operating system. Once your URL is pasted into the box, it's as simple as clicking the Shorten URL button, usually located right next to the text box. With just a click, TinyURL will take that long link and convert it into a shortened URL. This new URL is what you'll be using to share your Google site easily without having to deal with the cumbersome original version. That's it, your Google site URL is now shortened and ready to be shared with ease. Whether it's for business or personal use, this tidier version of your link can be a real game changer in making sure that your audience can access your content without hassle. Now you are ready to share your new link with confidence, knowing that it's both accessible and professional looking. Thanks for tuning in and happy sharing.